Tired of hitting your message quota and disrupting crucial customer conversations? Let's fix that by showing you exactly how to increase your remaining quota in Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and head straight to your dashboard here. You'll see a clear overview of your current quota usage. Take a moment to understand how close you are to your limit. Next, find your profile icon, which is generally located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it to expand your user menu. From the drop-down menu, select Upgrade Plan. This will direct you to the plan upgrade options. Now, you'll see a list of available plans. Compare the different options based on the message quota they offer, along with any additional features that might benefit your business. Choose the plan that best suits your messaging needs. Once you've made your choice, click on the subscribe or upgrade button associated with that plan. You'll then be guided through the payment process. Select your preferred payment method and complete the transaction securely. After the payment is confirmed, your message quota will be instantly updated. You can now continue engaging with your customers without worrying about interruptions. For a long-term solution, consider optimizing your messaging strategy. Use message templates to reduce character count and avoid unnecessary broadcast messages. These steps will not only prevent quota depletion, but also improve the efficiency of your communications.